Hello everyone, this is Chinmay from Megado Clinic. Now I'm going to show you how to clean the car air filter. This is a particular car which I am working on actually for a long time. So there are several problems in the car, so we are solving step by step. So I'm going to show you how to clean the air filter in the car. So first of all, if you look at this system, so it's very simple. There are two clips over here. You just have to plug out. So the whole unit will be released because it has got kind of a hinges now. If you look at this, then these are two lugs basically which fits inside this, right? So this is the air filter. Now the air is basically coming from this side towards the throttle body. Air has to be passed from this side, right? Not from this side. You have to basically clean the air filter from this side to this side. If you do that, then it won't clean because the air is coming inside. So after cleaning, we have to reinstall this air filter. This is how you have to complete the job. Thank you.